Looking for the lightest checked luggage for international travel that won't weigh you down? Whether you're heading on a long-haul flight or planning your next getaway, the right lightweight suitcase makes a big difference. It helps you avoid extra baggage fees, move easily through airports, and travel with less stress. In this video, we've picked the best lightweight checked luggage that offers durability, smooth mobility, and smart packing space. From expandable storage to spinner wheels, these suitcases are built for modern travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Harvest and hit the notification bell for more smart travel tips and deals. Check the description for product links. Let's get started. Number 1. Swiss Gear 7366 Carry-On. Upgrade your travel game with this rugged and dependable carry-on. The tough hard-shell exterior shields your items from impacts, making it perfect for frequent flyers. Smooth rolling spinner wheels give you effortless control through crowded terminals. Its 19-inch size meets most airline carry-on requirements, so you avoid check-in hassle. Inside, smart compartments and zippered sections help you stay organized on the go. Need extra room? The expandable feature has you covered. A built-in TSA lock keeps everything secure during your journey. Finished in a sleek black design with a comfortable grip handle, this suitcase blends durability, convenience, and modern style perfectly. Number 2. Travel Pro Max Light 5 Carry-On. Travel light without sacrificing performance with this ultra-lightweight carry-on. Designed for smooth mobility, its 4 spinner wheels glide effortlessly across airport floors. The soft-side construction allows flexibility, making it easier to fit into tight overhead spaces. Inside, the spacious compartment expands to give you extra packing capacity when needed. Durable fabric resists everyday wear while keeping your belongings protected. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable handling for any traveler. Its unique slate green color stands out while maintaining a professional look. Perfect for quick trips or business travel, this suitcase offers a balanced mix of lightweight design, function, and reliability. Number 3. Swiss Gear Scion Spinner Large. Built for travelers who need space and reliability, this large suitcase handles extended trips with ease. The durable polyester material stands up to regular travel wear while remaining lightweight. Smooth spinner wheels provide easy maneuverability in busy environments. The roomy interior gives you enough space for clothing, shoes, and essentials, while interior pockets help keep everything organized. An expandable zipper adds extra packing capacity when needed. Front pockets offer quick access to important items like travel documents. The sturdy handle ensures comfortable lifting and control. With its bold burgundy finish, this luggage combines practicality, durability, and standout style for long journeys. Number 4. Away Carry-On 22-inch. Experience premium travel with this modern and stylish carry-on. The durable hard-side shell protects your belongings while keeping the suitcase lightweight. Effortless 360-degree spinner wheels let you move smoothly in any direction. Inside, a smart compression system maximizes packing space and keeps everything neatly secured. The TSA-approved lock adds an extra layer of protection for your valuables. Designed to fit standard overhead compartments, it's ideal for short trips and frequent travel. The clean navy blue finish gives it a polished and professional appearance. Combining sleek design with advanced features, this suitcase delivers comfort, security, and convenience every time you travel. Number 5. Travel Select Amsterdam Large. Pack everything you need for long trips with this spacious and practical suitcase. The soft-side construction offers flexibility while maintaining durability for everyday travel. Smooth rolling wheels make navigation easy even when the bag is fully packed. Its large main compartment provides generous storage, while multiple pockets keep your items organized and accessible. The expandable feature allows you to add extra items without stress. Comfortable, padded handles make lifting and carrying easier. The neutral gray color delivers a clean and versatile look. Designed for extended vacations or family trips, this luggage makes packing efficient and travel more relaxed and enjoyable. Number 6. Samsonite Omni PC Pro. Upgrade your checked luggage with this strong and reliable suitcase. The durable hard-shell design protects your belongings from bumps, drops, and rough handling during travel. Smooth spinner wheels glide quietly across airport floors, making movement effortless. Its spacious interior opens wide for easy packing and keeps everything balanced. The expandable zipper gives you extra room for souvenirs or additional items.
A secure TSA lock adds peace of mind while traveling. The sleek black finish looks modern and professional. Comfortable handles make lifting easier. Designed for convenience and durability, this suitcase is perfect for medium-length trips and stress-free travel.
Number 7. Travel Pro Crew Classic Pro. Designed for serious travelers, this suitcase delivers durability and smooth performance. Equipped with 8 spinner wheels, it glides effortlessly through busy airports and tight spaces. The lightweight soft side material offers flexibility while remaining strong enough for frequent use. Expandable storage gives you extra room for clothes, gifts, or travel essentials. A built-in TSA lock keeps your belongings secure throughout your journey. The roomy interior allows easy packing and organization. Its classic black design suits both men and women. Comfortable handles and stable structure make handling simple. Perfect for longer trips, this suitcase combines reliability, space, and smooth mobility. Number 8. Travel Pro Max Light 5 Flex. Travel smarter with this lightweight and flexible checked suitcase. The soft side design allows easy fitting into storage spaces while protecting your belongings. 4 spinner wheels provide smooth and effortless movement across airport floors. The expandable feature offers additional packing space when needed. Inside, the roomy compartment keeps your clothes and essentials organized. Durable fabric resists everyday wear and tear during travel. Comfortable handles make lifting and carrying simple. The stylish slate green color stands out while remaining professional. Ideal for vacations or business trips, this suitcase delivers the perfect balance of size, weight, and convenience. Number 9. Samsonite Freeform Elite. Take on long trips with confidence using this lightweight yet durable suitcase. The strong, hard-shell exterior protects your belongings while keeping the overall weight manageable. Dual 360-degree spinner wheels allow smooth and easy movement in any direction. The expandable design gives you extra space for packing more items. Inside, the spacious compartment and straps keep everything neat and secure. A TSA lock ensures added security during travel. The classic navy color looks clean and stylish. Comfortable handles make lifting easier. Built for performance and reliability, this suitcase is perfect for extended travel and heavy packing needs. Number 10. Away Large Premium. Travel in style with this spacious and modern suitcase designed for long journeys. The lightweight hard-shell construction protects your belongings while staying easy to handle. 4 smooth spinner wheels glide quietly across any surface. The interior compression system helps maximize packing space and keeps your clothes organized. A TSA-approved lock provides added security during travel. Its large capacity is perfect for vacations, family trips, or extended stays. The cloud gray finish gives it a clean, premium look. Comfortable handles make lifting simple. Combining space, style, and smart features, this suitcase makes every trip more efficient and stress-free. Number 11. Swissgear 7366 Signature Large. Travel confidently with this spacious and durable checked luggage. The strong, hard-side shell protects your belongings from bumps and rough handling during long trips. Smooth spinner wheels glide quietly across airport floors, giving you effortless control. The large 27-inch capacity provides plenty of room for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials. An expandable feature allows you to pack even more when needed. The TSA-approved lock adds an extra layer of security for peace of mind. Its sleek black finish looks modern and professional. Built for reliability and convenience, this suitcase is perfect for long vacations and stress-free travel experiences. Number 12. U.S. Traveler Bore & Large. Designed for travelers who need maximum space, this large suitcase makes packing simple and efficient. The rugged hard side exterior keeps your items protected throughout your journey. 8 spinner wheels provide smooth and stable movement in any direction, even in crowded airports. The expandable design gives you extra room for clothes, gifts, or souvenirs. Its spacious interior helps keep everything organized and easy to access. Strong handles ensure comfortable lifting when needed. The classic black design looks clean and versatile for any trip. Perfect for long vacations, this suitcase combines durability, capacity, and smooth mobility for hassle-free travel experiences.
Thanks for watching today's top travel picks from Gadget Harvest. If you love discovering smart travel gear that makes your trips easier and more enjoyable, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out on the best travel deals. Got a question or want to see a specific travel product reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel smart, stay inspired, and enjoy every journey.